Embrace the winter season, the healing power of ghee for health and wellness. As winter blankets the world in cold weather, common ailments such as dry skin, coughs, and joint pain frequently arise. However, there exists a time-honored remedy that has stood the test of time in Ayurvedic practices: ghee. This nutrient-rich clarified butter, revered for its numerous health benefits, offers a holistic approach to maintaining wellness during the winter months. Packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, ghee can soothe coughs, improve sleep, moisturize dry skin, combat allergies, boost immunity, ease joint pain, reduce anxiety, and clear sinuses. Embracing ghee in your daily routine can significantly enhance your health and comfort as the temperature drops. The nutritional profile of ghee. Ghee is made by simmering butter to remove its water content and milk solids, resulting in a concentrated source of healthy fats. It is rich in short-chain fatty acids, particularly butyric acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support gut health. Ghee also contains fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for maintaining overall health. The unique composition of ghee makes it an ideal addition to your winter wellness regimen. Key health benefits of ghee in winter. 1. Soothe coughs. Ghee can provide relief from throat irritation and coughs, common during the colder months. Mixing a teaspoon of warm ghee with a pinch of black pepper or turmeric creates a soothing remedy that can help calm persistent coughs. 2. Improve sleep quality. According to Khushbu Jain Tibrewala, a nutritionist and diabetes educator, starting your day with a spoonful of ghee can stabilize glucose levels and improve immune function. Additionally, massaging your feet with a few drops of ghee before bedtime enhances circulation and toxin elimination. For optimal relaxation, blend warm milk with a teaspoon of ghee and a pinch of nutmeg before bed to promote restful sleep. 3. Relieve dry skin. The cold winter air often leads to dry, flaky skin. Ghee serves as an excellent moisturizer, warming it and massaging it onto dry skin, particularly on the face and hands, can provide deep nourishment and hydration. 4. Combat allergies. Ghee can help mitigate allergic responses during winter. It contains butyric acid, which improves the integrity of the gut lining, thus reducing the likelihood of allergies. Incorporating ghee into each meal can bolster your body's defenses against allergens. 5. Boost immunity. Ghee is a time-honored immunity booster in Indian households. As noted by Ravan Saluja, director of Sterling Agro Industries, adding a teaspoon of ghee to your morning tea or coffee can generate warmth, enhance energy levels, and improve overall immune function. 6. Ease joint pain. Ghee is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for individuals suffering from joint pain. Mixing warm ghee with ginger powder or carom seeds can help alleviate stiffness. Additionally, massaging ghee onto painful joints provides external relief. 7. Lower anxiety. For those seeking mental calmness, a blend of triphala and ghee can be particularly effective. Mixing half a teaspoon of triphala powder with a teaspoon of ghee and consuming it with a large glass of warm water at bedtime can improve sleep quality, reduce anxiety, and regularize bowel movements. 8. Clear sinuses. Ghee can also aid in relieving sinus congestion. A practice known as nasya involves dipping a fingertip in ghee and applying it inside the nostrils. This method can help alleviate anxiety and improve mental clarity almost immediately. Incorporating ghee into your winter routine. Incorporating ghee into your daily routine is simple and versatile. Here are some practical suggestions. Morning ritual. Begin your day with a spoonful of ghee for sustained energy and health benefits. Cooking and baking. Use ghee as a cooking fat in place of oils or butter. Its high smoke point makes it suitable for sautéing and frying, and it adds a rich flavor to dishes. Beverages. Stir a teaspoon of ghee into your morning coffee or tea for added health benefits. Topical application. Use ghee as a moisturizer for dry skin, applying it before bed for maximum absorption. As winter brings its unique set of challenges, ghee emerges as a powerful ally in promoting health and wellness. This Ayurvedic remedy not only soothes common winter ailments, but also enhances overall well-being through its rich nutritional profile. By incorporating ghee into your daily routine, you can combat the harsh effects of winter, ensuring a healthier, more comfortable season. Whether you're seeking relief from coughs, improved sleep, or enhanced immunity, ghee offers a natural, holistic solution that has stood the test of time. Embrace the warmth and nourishment of ghee this winter and experience the myriad benefits it has to offer.